Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Which of the following would be classified as a voluntary lien? Attachment. An abstract of judgment that is recorded becomes. A general lien on all real property of the defendant in the county where it is recorded. The legal seizure of property which is to be held for payment of money pending the outcome of a suit to enforce collection of a debt is called an attachment. A restriction placed in a grant deed that is classified as a condition usually carries a right of exchange. CC and RS are most often found in which of the following documents? Exclusive right to sell. The right of a public utility company to string wires overhead so it can furnish electrical power to a new subdivision would be classified as an electrical easement. The standard form policy of title insurance does not protect against loss resulting from encroachments. A homestead protects against a judgment by an unsecured creditor if the judgment results from unpaid taxes. Once a notice of completion has been recorded by the owner, the right of an original contractor to file a mechanic's lien expires in 10 days. When real property is subject to a lien, it is said to be leased. The most effective way for buyers to protect themselves from losing their right of ownership to land is to record the deed. Rates for title insurance are set by the Department of Insurance. An order by a court directing real property to be sold to satisfy a lien is called an injunction. After the court has rendered a judgment, the instrument that is recorded that creates a lien is A writ of execution. Once an abstract of judgment is recorded, it remains a lien for 5 years. An easement acquired by a deed may be terminated by any of the following ways except by adverse possession, a title plant in relation to real estate records is the same as a final subdivision report. The terms ingress and egress usually pertain to liens. An easement by prescription would most likely be created by eminent domain. A homestead offers no protection against mechanics liens. Title to fixtures, shelves, counters and merchandise is transferred or conveyed by a bill of sale. The stock and fixtures that are to be transferred with the sale of a business are usually enumerated in an inventory. The number of times a given inventory sells within a 1-year period is known as turnover. The California law, which is designed to regulate secured transactions in personal property and to warn transferors creditors of a bulk transfer, is known as the Uniform Commercial Code. A financing statement may be released from the records by filing a release statement. The instrument used to secure a loan on personal property is called a security agreement. When a retail business is sold, the state agency that is most concerned with protecting the purchaser against successors' liability is the State Board of Equalization. When a retail business is sold, it is necessary to pay state sales tax on furniture and fixtures. A sales tax permit must be obtained from the State Board of Equalization. by persons engaged in a wholesale or retail business. The California state agency that governs the issuance of liquor licenses is the Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control. All of the following are considered as ways to legally describe property except topographical survey, when a metes and bounds description uses angles for direction, the angles are taken from north or south points. Which of the following statements is incorrect with regard to a property description using a metes and bounds description? It is brief and simple to understand and interpret. Section 36 is located in which corner of a township? Southeast. The distance between the southeast corner of Section 4 and the northwest corner of Section 34 in a given township is 4 miles. In what direction does the Humboldt Meridian line run? North and south. Which of the following would not make a good point of reference in a metes and bounds description? A neighbor's fence. Which of the following is not a base and meridian line in California? M.T. Wilson. The north half or the west half of a section of land contains 320 acres. The n% of the n2 of a section contains 160 acres. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.